Yo, what's up, guys? It's International O back at it again with another review. I know this is what, video 2, because I just shot the video. Y'all gonna see, I split it all up. But yeah, I did the video to pick up with the LeBrons and the Cactus Jack Air Forces. Now I'm home, got a pickup, 2 pickups. I'm gonna split them up. But this is pickup number 1. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to StockX for this pickup. I got I paid below retail for these joints. I paid $113. When I went to StockX Day, they gave me a $20 off code, so I used the $20 off to get these shoes. I wanted these joints. These are pretty cool. As you can see, it's a Puma box. You know what I'm saying? So shout out to the good people at StockX for helping me get this cop. You know what I'm saying? So let's see what we got. We have the Puma, and I'm gonna read the description for y'all. It is the Puma Thunder Electric. If you're not aware of what those are, okay. So we got the StockX. Show us your verified authentic tag. Upload Instagram hashtag StockX. Get featured. Brag to your friends. Little card from StockX, and of course this is my receipt from StockX. StockX stickers, the whole shebang-a-bang. Yeah, here we go. Got the StockX tag on there, and they've been having spots, been actually like them Chinese spots, been putting these on their shit now and trying to pass them as authentic shoes. That's crazy. But here we are, the Puma Thunder Electric. These joints are nice in person, man. I'm not gonna lie, I'm definitely think I'm gonna change these laces out. The shoe is dope. Don't get me wrong. This shoe is dope, as you can see. But yeah, these laces, I don't know. It just distracted me. I'm sorry. These laces, I'm definitely taking these laces out. I think I'm gonna put some black laces in to make these stand out a little more. I think black laces will set it off because nothing in the shoe is that white. It's like a pure white, and nothing in the shoe is pure white. And I just don't think the laces go. So I could do either red, blue, or black. Either one. I think I'm gonna do black. But this is a dope shoe. Can't take away from it, man. It has the leather upper, has the mesh material, and then right here on the side where the lacelet, where the eyelet is, I think it's a 3M. You might be able to see it because I have my light on, so it might be a 3M material. I'm not sure, but it's like a plastic material. And then on the inside of the shoe, it has the Puma tag, and back here it has the cushion for the support for your foot. But it's like different materials on here. Then you can kind of see like a leather. It's not even a tumble leather. It's like a tough leather here in the back, this material. This shoe is dope. This is a dope shoe. I like this shoe. Like, I don't have dad shoes, so this is like my first dad shoe, and this joint is comfortable. I've heard it's comfortable, but yeah, I like these. Has the speckles around the shoe. Here at the sole of it, the midsole has speckles on it, has a Puma logo, as you can see right here on the side, the outside of the shoe. Retail on the shoe, I think was $120, if I'm not mistaken, but like I said, I paid $113 for it. Dope overall shoe. Yeah, this is nice. I'm gonna rock these joints. I might do it on foot, but these joints are nice. I like these. Let me know what you think in the description, man. What you think about this shoe? But this is dope. I think I'm gonna start doing like a video of the shoe, like a review of the shoe, and then come back and do it on foot afterwards. I might do that. But overall, dope shoe, man. Let me know what y'all think about it in the description. Till the next release or the next video, next episode. Peace.